we deal with the concept of, imagine an assembly line within a factory, and you have a line of product that is being produced and generated, that is coming off of that line. And the way that you would be able to identify it would be through some type of code or number,
Mm-hmm.
right? Whether it be a barcode or whether it be a number or a sequence of numbers. Uh, and so when you think of genetic alteration and the generation of specific genetic coding, what comes to your mind? What do you think about?
Oh man, I thought you immediately made me think about light codes and melanin content, because if you have melanin content that has been developing over time for a specific amount of sun or a specific band of sun, say the sun in Jamaica is not the same as the sun over here, or the sun in China is not the same sun exposure as it is here. You made me immediately think about these different races, and back to us talking about displacement just a little bit. If they were displaced and they had developed genetics that was the most useful for that particular part of the planet, then by putting them in another location, you may throw off their very genetic coding, in the sense that their coding had developed to be able to deal with that bandwidth of light or darkness in a way that made it most useful for themselves. So if you put a person who had developed a strand of genetics that was good for the sun in a dark room, then that is an immediate shift in their ability to perceive, shift in their ability to transfer energy, shift in their ability to access the genetics that they were previously utilizing to have them in sync with their surroundings. But yeah, that specifically is what you made me think of, is that melanin content and genetic coding would have direct relation to light and light codes as well.